Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Buy USA. If you're looking to upgrade your living room or just need a new TV stand, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best TV stands that will fit any style and budget. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get started. Starting off our list is the Rolanstar Deformable TV stand with LED strip and power outlets. The Rolanstar Deformable TV stand features a design that almost resembles Tetris blocks. Due to the simplicity of this block-like design, this ingenious TV stand actually features complete customization, making it the ideal option for nearly any gaming space. Users can decide between several different orientations and setups to find their favorite. In addition, this TV stand features LED lighting, a built-in power strip, and circular cutouts for easy cable management. When it comes to TV stands that make a perfect addition to any gaming room, the Rolanstar Deformable TV stand is hard to beat. Compared to most TV stands out there, which tend to be solid and stagnant, this TV stand can actually be oriented in any way desired. This is due to the block-like nature of the TV stand, which allows for endless possibilities for stacking. The Rolanstar Deformable TV stand can accommodate most TV sizes, and can even be squeezed into the corner of a room. In addition to that, the Rolanstar Deformable TV stand promises lots of space for storing consoles and various other accessories. There are circular cutouts in each shelf, which allow for easy, hidden cable management. The 120V power strip mounted to the top of the TV stand also contributes to an easy time charging controllers, headsets, and various other devices without the need to crawl behind the TV. All in all, if you're in the market for a simplistic and flexible addition to your gaming room, the Rolanstar Deformable TV stand is a considerable choice. Next up, we have the Bestier 70-inch Gaming Entertainment Center with power outlets. The Bestier 70-inch Gaming Entertainment Center is a large, sturdy TV stand that easily draws the eye in any room. With a symmetrical design, RGB lighting, and glass shelves, this TV stand properly displays and highlights your favorite consoles, accessories, and merchandise. The center of this TV stand also features 2 covered shelves where you can store more items like games or extra controllers. In addition, this TV stand comes with a power strip mounted on the top, which features 2 USB ports, allowing for easy and convenient charging. Although this TV stand may be considered expensive compared to other options on this list, the Bestier 70-inch Gaming Entertainment Center provides a premium choice for users seeking an attention-grabbing addition to elevating any living space or gaming room. This breathtaking TV stand features vibrant LED RGB lighting and elegant glass shelves to display your favorite gaming accessories and collectibles on either side of the center cabinet. These glass shelves can be easily removed to make room for any taller gaming console like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. Like several options on this list, this TV stand also features a 120V outlet with 2 USB ports, which allows for supremely easy and convenient charging of all devices and gaming accessories. This mighty TV stand is designed to support large TVs, with impressive compatibility of displays up to 75 inches. If you're interested in a captivating TV stand to elevate your gaming experience with ample storage, then the Bestier 70-inch Gaming Entertainment Center serves as a fantastic option. Moving on to our third pick, the Bestier LED Entertainment Center. This TV stand by Bestier presents a modern and durable alternative that doesn't break the bank. Ideal for smaller living spaces and TVs up to 65 inches, this TV stand features ample storage for many different devices and accessories. The glass shelf in the center is height adjustable and can easily be removed if needed, and the dynamic RGB strips included can be used to customize the lighting of the room. Although not the largest TV stand on this list, the Bestier Entertainment Center comes with plenty of room to store your favorite games, accessories, and multiple consoles. This TV stand even has a dedicated shelf perfectly spaced to store an upright PlayStation 5, making it a great choice for those who use their TV to game on the PS5. In addition, this TV stand features dynamic RGB lighting that can be customized between 22 different modes with a remote controller. The Bestier Entertainment Center stands out for its sleek, modern look, featuring a carbon fiber print and a glass shelf in the center. This shelf can be used to display your favorite collectibles and can even be adjusted up or down for more space. This gaming TV stand proves that you don't need to invest in the most expensive options to have a fantastic looking, functional setup. Our fourth pick is the Furinno Turns Tube No Tools Entertainment TV Stand. It's undeniable that TV stands considerably improve the gaming experience by bringing the TV to a comfortable eye level, while also providing additional storage for gaming accessories and consoles. That being said, it can be hard to invest in this upgrade when you're shopping on a tight budget. Luckily, there are several options available for less than $50, and the Furinno Turns Tube TV stand is among the best of them. Available in several different wood types, this sensible TV stand offers enough storage for a few gaming consoles, like the Nintendo Switch, as well as some hard copies of games and accessories. Those with bigger TVs, however, should consider either wall-mounting their TV or investing in a larger alternative on this list. Regardless of whether you're building a gaming room from scratch, or if you're working with a tight budget, the Furinno Turns Tube is a great-looking, easy-to-assemble option that suits most living spaces. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nathan James 2-door TV cabinet. The Nathan James rattan and wood 2-door TV cabinet is a great option for anyone looking for a minimalist TV stand. We love that it's just as suited for a minimalist home as it would be for grand millennial decor. The mix of sleek metal accents with the texture of the rattan front panels on the cabinet doors is a great modern element to such a classic material and furniture shape. The shelves within the cabinets are also adjustable, but the central open shelf is fixed. This cabinet should be easy to assemble, and the instruction manual is available online, boasting a quick 45-minute assembly time. We wish the weight limit was slightly higher for the top shelf on this cabinet, as it can only support up to 100 pounds. However, that should be plenty for the maximum recommended TV size of 50 inches. And there you have it, our top 5 best TV stands. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.